Okay guys, Assalamualaikum. A very good day. So for today's lesson, we are going to talk about the last application in integration, which is revolution, volume of revolution rotated about the y-axis. In previous lesson, we have learned volume rotated about the x-axis, and for today's lesson, we are going to learn about volume rotated about the y-axis. So the concept of the volume is the same as x-axis, okay? It's just that if x-axis we rotate here, but y-axis we rotate to y. And the limit involved, of course, the limit involved will be on the y-axis. So this is our A, this is our B, okay? So if we rotate this rectangle to the y-axis 360 degree, so what shape we will have from here? So we will have like a bowl, like this. So this volume, okay. So of course when we rotate rectangle, we rotate it to y-axis, so like this. Okay, we rotate, so our shape will be like circular disc, just like before. It's just that this circular disc is horizontally. So we have from this disc, in which we said the disc is in the shape of cylinder. So this is our radius and this is our height. The thickness of the cylinder is the height of the cylinder. So if we compare this one with this one, so we can say that the radius is actually represented by x and our height represented by delta y. So volume of cylinders comes from area of circle times height. So our area of circle is pi r squared times height. So the volume will be pi r squared h. So if we substitute this information from this information, so we will have volume of cylinder is actually pi x squared delta y. So that's just one circular disc. But in this case, we are talking about all the circular discs from limit A until limit B. So the n will be greater. So as n approaching infinity, we will say that the delta y will become almost zero. So we have this limit. Volume of revolution rotated to y-axis is actually when limit delta y approaching zero from the summation of y equals to A until B. Remember, y represent the number of rectangles that we have, pi x squared delta y. So pi x squared delta y represent what? Represent the volume of cylinder. So we conclude that volume of revolution rotated to y-axis is actually the integration for pi x squared dy. Again, this integrand will represent the volume of cylinder. Integrate from the limit A until limit B. Okay, since we integrate it with respect to y, so our x must be in terms of y. Okay, so the limit must be from the y axis. So this is only the concept. So next video we will take a look on a few examples.